Have you ever looked at a billionaire and thought yourself, wow, they look so stylish yet so simple? Then you wonder, is the elegance even possible without high fortune? Well, it is a secret to looking like billionaire isn't is the number of zero in your bank account. It's in the small details you can control. In this video, we'll invest the style secrets inspired by money, step by step, and show you how to achieve the luxury look on a budget. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. The base is building strong foundation. To dress like a billionaire, you have to start where they all do with the basics. The secret isn't a wardrobe full of clothes, but wearing the right pieces, natural colors. Think of natural colors like black, white, gray, navy, and beige as your primary canvas. These colors are fresh, timeless, and always exude elegance. Black symbolizes power, white represents cleanliness, and gray adds a touch of sophistication. Essential pieces. A crisp white shirt. Choose one mat of high-quality cotton that feels luxurious on your skin. This piece will become your go-to for casual or layered looks. A classic button-up shirt like blue or white works perfectly for both formal and casual setting. Dark jeans, free of rips and over-the-top designs, just clean simple lines. Classic chinos, invest in bag or navy trousers that fit all occasions. Smart shopping tips. Don't overlook discount stores, thrift shops, or even season sales. Many affordable brands offer clothes that look premium when styled. Character focus on fit, and fair rather their brand names. A practicality vetting. Piece from regular store can on shine, and a fitting piece from a luxury brand. Part 2. Mastering color coordination. Billionaires don't choose their colors randomly. Every choice is intentional and reflects their confidence and personality. Monochromatic looks. Wearing one color head to toe like black or gray gives you a sleek, polished appearance. It makes you look taller and more put together. Two-tone combination. Try bring a navy blazer with gray trousers for a classic and professional look. Mix black chinos with a white shirt for a clean, attractive outfit. Adding bold touches. Add a bob of red with a pocket square or tie. It's a bold and eye-catching choice. Experiment with earthy tones like olive green or mustard yellow in your accessories to showcase creative side. Part 3. Quality over quantity. One of our means golden rules is the one high-quality item is better than 10 mediocre on. You don't need a lot, you need the best you can offer. Invest in natural fabrics. Cotton and linen over excellent breathability and feel luxury, perfect for shirts and summer wear. Wool and cashmere bring warmth and sophistication to your winter wardrobe. Look for this in coats, sweaters. Inspect craftsmanship. Before buying, examine the stitching. Straight clean stitches and squarely etched buttons are signs of quality. Hold the fabric up to the light if it's too thin or feels filmy skipped. Part 4. Coloring is a secret weapon. Even if your clothes come from a regular store, the right alterations can elevate them to a luxury level. A blazer should fit perfectly on your shoulders. The service adding just about your waist bone. Trousers should hit the ankle tether, too short nor too long. If you're young or lost weight, don't throw out your favorite pieces. A skilled tailor can bring the pack to life. Part 5. Accessories, the finishing touch. Accessories are what transform any outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. These small details make a huge difference. Watches. A simple elegant watch with a leather strap or metal band instantly elevates your look. You don't need a Rolex brands like Timex or Seiko over the same sophistication at a reasonable price. Shoes mirror. Black or brown leather shoes are a must to keep them clean and scrap-free. For casual dyes, for simple sneakers in white or beige. Belts and bags. Match your belt to your shoes are cohesive. Look a structured leather bag or sleek crossbody adds touch of our professionals and luxury. Part 6. The power of details. This is where the real difference shows. Details are the silent markers or luxury. Ironing clothes. Working clothes signal. Currencies keep your outfit ironed and neat. Fragrance. Choosing a refined cologne or even a simple clean scent leaves a lasting impression. Personal grooming. A sharp haircut shows your care about your appearance. Keep your nails clean and trimmed, and moisturize your skin for a healthy, fresh look. Style isn't just about how much money you spend. It's about interesting your look, paying attention to details, and choosing quality over quantity. Manee's approach proves the luxury and sophistication aren't reserved for the wealthy. You can achieve them on a budget. Are you ready to elevate your style? Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tips on style and living the high life.